Hello fly, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Today I'm going to talk to you on the digestive system. The digestive system and the processes that are involved. So this is a whole human component. We are going to look at the digestive system in today's video. You can see the different parts of the digestive system. And before we look at the parts of the digestive system, let's just take a look at what digestion is. Digestion is the breakdown of large molecules into absorbable forms. Now, when we look at digestion of food, we also look at nutrition. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition is the ability of living organisms to obtain and utilize food in order to maintain life. So how can the food eaten by animals be utilized without digestive system? So therefore, animals develop a digestive system which is made up of different organs that work together to bring about the digestion of food substances. So in today's video, we are going to look at the human digestive system. The human digestive system. And then we'll start by looking at the components of the digestive system. So we have the mouth, then we have the esophagus, then we have the tongue, we have some glands that aid digestion, we have the liver, the stomach, the pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, the rectum and the appendix, the anus. Now let's look at them one by one. Let's start with the mouth. So the mouth contains structures such as teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. The teeth do the mastication, that is the chewing into paste. The tongue does the rolling of food. The salivary glands secrete saliva, which contains ptyalin, a salivary enzyme that breaks down starch into molecules. There is no digestion of protein in the mouth. The food is swallowed into the gullet in form of bolus. Now let's look at the gullet. The food moves down the gullet in a peristaltic manner in a form of bolus. Now it would now get to the stomach. In the stomach, certain things take place. One, storage. Food is stored between 2 to 4 hours and is released at regular intervals by opening of the pyloric sphincter. This pyloric sphincter is function like a tap. When you open a tap, it releases water. So when the pyloric sphincter is open, it releases the food into the small intestine. Secondly, the stomach also carries out mechanical digestion. Food is churned by muscular contraction of the stomach wall and converted into semi-liquid state or chyme by being mixed with gastric juice. Now the gastric juice is found in the stomach. We also have chemical digestion in the stomach. The gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid secreted by gastric pits in addition to pepsin and renin. Pepsin acts on proteins, breaking it down into simpler units known as peptones. Now, if proteins is acted by pepsin, it will break it down to peptones. Now, let's look at the duodenum. In the duodenum, the chyme flows through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum. Bile duct transported bile from the gallbladder into the duodenum. The duodenum also receives pancreatic juice from the pancreas through the pancreatic duct. Now, bile contains salts, sodium, hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4, bilirubin, and biliverdin waste from dead old red blood cells and water. Bile is alkaline in nature. Now, bile mixed with the chyme from the stomach and emulsifies the fat and oil present in it into emulsion. It also stops the action of enzyme renin and pepsin. Bile gives brownish and yellowish coloration to the feces. The pancreatic juice contains enzyme lipase and amylase and an enzymogen enzyme precursor known as trypsinogen. Lipids act on emulsified fats and oil, converting them into fatty acid and glycerol, which are the end products of fat and oil. Emulsifiers, when they are acted by lipids, they are converted to fatty acid and glycerol. Amylase break down cooked starch into maltose. Trypsinogen Trypsinogen or zymogen is an inactive enzyme. It is made active in the presence of coenzyme known as enterokinase. Inactive enterokinase is converted to active enterokinase by enterokinase enzyme. Subtrypsin acts on peptones, breaking them into polypeptide. Enzyme in the pancreatic juice are activated by the alkaline bile. Further churning of food continues in the duodenum and the food now becomes more watery and is called chyle. Now I'm going to take an animation picture of how this food is moved to the large intestine from the absorption in the ileum. The ileum. Chyle passes into the ileum